Hi guys, good evening. I am on Gardens of Abundance channel, Sai's channel today, and I'm going to explain to you a little bit of a thing that I'm doing here on my farm permaculture with using permaculture thinking. This is a subabul tree that's going to provide, there are a couple of subabul trees that are going to provide mild shade here during the afternoon, which is critical in the hot areas of the planet. Uh, Here I have got hibiscus planted a couple of months ago. I want the hibiscus to survive and thrive. So what we did was dig a pit that is 3 by 3 and added a bit of manure into it, mixed dry manure and soil, filled it back in with the same soil, put hibiscus into it, put a lot of mulch and put a lot of seeds as a guild along with it. The first thing you see here is sunflower. This one has deep roots and it's going to go down and keep the soil from getting compacted again. This is an annual, so this is going to die back very soon. You can see the flowering happening. Another couple of months, this is dead. That is jowar. Now the way we are sitting here, I know that wind is going to come that way and that way. So I've got jowar and sunflower here to keep moisture inside that little bunch of plants. I have got for pest protection, hibiscus is very prone to mealybugs and other stuff. So I have got dill planted in there, and dill is coming up beautifully. That's an umbellifera. It attracts a lot of beneficial insects, and that's going to look beautiful as well as behave beautiful, and it's going to self-seed in this area. I have also planted sweet potato. There was this little slip a couple of months ago there. Now it's creeping up and all over the place and covering the ground. So I've got a ground cover. I've got a tall jowar planted which I'm going to chop. If at all it's going to be a problem for the hibiscus, I'm going to chop it and drop it as mulch. I've got deep soil stabilization with sunflower here and also a protection for my little young hibiscus plants. Now all of these here, being here, people might think that it will rob the nutrition away from the hibiscus, which is exactly the opposite. The more plants you have, the more appropriate plants you have, the better the food for the soil organisms, because every plant puts in almost 80% of all its photosynthetic results into the soil. You can see here how many buds there are on this hibiscus. It's producing and producing and producing. This is actually 3 hibiscus plants planted together. You have so many buds on this. Buds, right? Beautiful little buds. These are going to open up tomorrow, and the ground is getting covered with these. That's a little guild I want to show you. Thanks for watching any permaculture video. Thanks for watching Gardens of Abundance. Thanks for listening to me. Have a great evening. Keep on learning permaculture. DJ signing off. Watch Gardens of Abundance.